Part of Amazonia was once a huge swamp connected to the Pacific and the Caribbean. The rise of the Andes broke those links, forcing the major rivers to flow east. One massive river now drains 40% of South America, the Amazon. This is the mightiest river on Earth. Running over 4,000 miles from the Andes to the ocean, it carries a fifth of all the river water on the planet. A 1,000 miles before it reaches the sea, its main channel is already 10 miles wide. Every year, the mighty Amazon bursts its banks, flooding an area of forest the size of England. At the height of the flood, the trees can stand in water 10 meters deep.